Hello, everybody. Another day with the best chef in town, Tampa, Chef Kyle.
Chef Kyle, baby.
Yes, sir, Bobby.
Chef Kyle, baby.
What's going on, Chef?
You know, check it out. We just pulled the Cannonball chicken.
Oh,
Captain
chicken
Morgan.
right off the grill.
Captain Morgan's Cannonball.
Chicken on the grill.
Chicken on the grill.
Oh, check it out. He got a Cannon Blast bottle on there. I didn't even notice that.
Dish.
Wow, you put it right there on the fire just like that?
Look at how that baby came out.
Yeah, nice.
That came out nice. What we got here? Vegetarians, onions, tomatoes. What we got today? What's today's dish, Chef?
Today is sausage jambalaya with the grilled chicken on the side.
Look at that. Eat that,
Sausage jambalaya. Oh, check that out.
There's some rice and
You
lentils.
handmade that right
That's
there?
right. That's right. And this is gonna go on to our little vegetable action we got going on here. So we're gonna get chopping. We're gonna get chopping.
Chop
the chicken,
it up,
the
Chef.
chicken is
Chop
ready.
it up. Chicken and
is ready.
jambalaya.
The chicken is ready.
Jambalaya. That's how you say it?
Jambalaya. Yep.
Never even had it, I don't think.
Really? It's pretty big.
It's a southern thing.
Yeah, it's Louisiana. That. Louisiana.
Well, y'all down south, so we might as well have some
Louisiana.
jambalaya.
That's right, buddy.
Chef, you ever had that?
Oh yeah. It's a fun dish to make.
I always like them long ways too.
Oh yeah, I never seen somebody slice carrots a long way, Chef.
You know, the new knife. You know, I'll show you some tricks.
Oh, we got a new knife.
Ew.
New knife, y'all. Chef Kyle.
And just like that, you got some diced.
Just like that, he just cut up 5 carrots. You seen that,
Yeah.
Bobby? Voila!
Wow.
Boom, boom!
Done.
Done.
On the chopping block.
Check the onions. Onion cutting.
There we go.
Beautiful day, everybody. We got Chef Kyle cutting up the vegetarians.
You know, we're gonna do all kind of dicing here. Just keep it all about the same, you know.
Oh, so you have the same consistency throughout all your
Yep. Everything's about the same.
vegetables. Nice.
Exactly.
Nice.
That's a mixed vegetables, you're right. Equally
This is called the
mixed.
holy trinity of the southern cooking. You start off with this little mirepoix.
Looks good, Chef. Looks amazing.
You're gonna start with a nice dish. It's gonna make you nice.
Oh,
You're
yeah.
gonna definitely be happy with this.
Yeah, I'm always happy, Chef.
Always, man.
I don't think you ever disappointed us.
And see that the pan's getting real hot right now, so all these vegetables are gonna cook really
Oh, yeah, you go.
fast.
Beautiful summer in Tampa, Florida, y'all. We living it. Chef Kyle feeding us a good lunch.
Thank you guys. You know, thanks for coming to watch the Grills Gone Wild.
Grill's gone wild, baby.
This is what we
Grill's
do.
Gone-
Grill's gone wild.
Yes,
It's
sir.
coming to you like a radio station.
I'm telling you, I know it.
Telling you.
We'll be in Ybor, we'll be in Clearwater in no time.
Florida. Florida. That's
Florida,
where we
baby.
at.
Florida life.
Florida life. This is
Florida life. Love it. Every
Florida
day.
life.
Chef Kyle's from Minnesota, and once he came here, he said, I ain't going back. Ain't that right, Chef?
Where is that, baby? We got family here. You know we do it right.
Chef loving
Ain't
it
got to
over
worry
here.
about the cold.
He's loving it over here with the
Sure.
sunshine. Playing, having fun in the sun, cooking good food.
What it is
All right,
down
now we
here.
got a hot pan.
Olive oil, y'all. Olive oil. Woohoo.
Got a hot pan.
Here comes the sizzle.
Here comes the sizzle, baby.
Hey, that's the noise that the chef likes, boy.
Get hot.
That.
Oh, nice.
Ooh, yeah, get up.
Let that get hot.
Shake it up a little bit for the camera, chef.
Oh, yeah, there we go. Mix it up, bro. Mix it up.
All right.
It's showing up now.
You know this guy love to show up. Okay. Chef Kyle know how to mix it up. Stir it. Whip it, whip it.
So we gotta cut it. Let these cook up, and then we're gonna add everything else.
Looks good. So the chicken's already cooked. The jambalaya is already cooked.
Yes, sir.
And the vegetables.
Now we putting the meat in there.
Onion.
Oh man, be
and-
careful! Don't hurt me too bad.
This is beef sausage.
Whoa!
Beef sausage, guys. Beef sausage.
Alright, beef sausage, man. I don't eat the porks.
This is beef.
That's
Alright.
for all you ladies there now.
All y'all ladies.
Oh yeah.
Wow, we having sausage and chicken today.
That's right.
You gonna throw this on the grill?
Just gonna go right in with those veggies.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome, Chef. That's awesome.
And all this is this.
What you got here? That's all it is. That's all it is, you guys. Woo! You hear it? I hear it. I hear a sizzle, Bobby. I hear a sizzle, my nigga.
Here.
I hear the sizzle,
Way
my
out here, baby.
nigga.
I hear it.
We smoking, we cooking, we hearing sizzle, we doing it. We
It's
smelling it.
good as
It's working. That's when you know it works. When you hear the sizzle and you hear the smell. Oh, you smell the smell. You hear the smell.
Right. You gotta smell the smell.
You gotta smell
Hear
the smell, and then you
Then
hear
you
the
get to
sizzle.
taste
This is
it.
a big boy plate.
Then you
Big
taste
boy
it.
plate. Big boy plate.
Oh, get it, Chef Kyle on the beat. Freestyle cooking. Grill's going wild every time we cook. They go wild. We don't know what happens on this grill, but it's some wild action every time we do it. Every freaking time. This grill goes wild. All right, garlic action, y'all.
Best way to do the garlic is just hit it as hard as you can.
Woo! Woo! Watch your fingers. Watch them fingers.
Hit it hard.
Oh, a little secret, you guys. Hit that bit one time. Boom.
Best way to dice it up. Get it
Man.
all in there. Boom.
Smells good. Woo!
Get it going.
Woo!
Get it going.
That's a
Get
chef
it
for you,
going.
boy. That's a chef
Chef
for you.
Kyle in the
That's
house
a chef
right
for
there,
you.
man.
That's a chef
Chef
for you.
Kyle.
That's
Thank you,
chef
thank
for
you,
you.
thank you.
That's Chef Kyle in action, y'all. Gotta love it. Always having a good time. Always eating good. Having fun.
Having fun.
Everything's
Eating
good.
good. Enjoying the sun, baby. That's what we do down here in Florida.
I'm trying to tell them. Chef Kyle, once again, appreciate you. We got more to come.
Appreciate
We're gonna
everybody.
show you guys what this plate's gonna look like. He's got this cooking, everything else is
This
ready.
cooking, this cooking for about 4 minutes more.
All right.
We're gonna add some stock to it, and we're gonna add all of our rice and lentil jambalaya mix, and we're just gonna be able to take out right after that, real quick.
All right. We'll be back in about 5 minutes. Stay tuned, everybody.